So talking about the second part of DBMS, so how are we representing the DBMS? It is in two ways. That is, one is conceptual database representation and another one is logical database representation. So in conceptual, we use ER model, while in logical, we use the relational model. Talking about the ER model here, three important things are there to be considered. First is the entity, second is the attribute, and third is the relationship. So entity, we can say each of the records in the database will represent the entity, and this collection will give us a complete entity set, and it is represented in a rectangular format. And the second part is the attribute, which is represented in circular manner, and third part is relationship, which actually represent the relationship between two entities and is done in a diamond shape or rhombus shape. Under attributes, there are various kinds of attribute identified. First and foremost being is the key attribute, which is like ये जो चीज़ है, it is uniquely identify each entity in the entity set. तो जैसे कि employee number है, so it has to be unique, else it is difficult to identify the employee in a whole industry. Second, the same employee number can be a simple attribute, which means it cannot be divided further. जैसे कि हम सैलरी में HRA, TA, DA बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट एम्प्लॉई नंबर में हम और कोई डिविजन नहीं कर सकते. सो दिस इज़ अ सिंपल एट्रीब्यूट एज वेल. थर्ड इज इट इज़ अ सिंगल वैल्यूड एट्रीब्यूट. जैसे कि अ पर्सन के पास बहुत सारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर हो सकता है. अ सेम पर्सन कैन हैव मल्टीपल कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. So, but employee number, the person has to have only one and one employee number. So it is single valued. Now describing the same as like multi-valued, more than one value can be present. Maximum one value, more than one value. And salary is a multi-valued attribute, जो कि और भी different parts में divide हो सकता है, जैसे कि basic, TA, DA, HR है, and in different formats, different ways में वो divide होता है. And the another part is stored attribute, meaning once stored it cannot be changed. जैसे कि आपका date of birth हुआ, gender हुआ, it cannot be changed. Coming to the next, it is a derived attribute, meaning from different attributes this can be derived. So if we have date of birth in the database, we can also derive the age. So age is a derived attribute. The last is the descriptive attribute, जो कि ना हम रिलेशनशिप पे रखते हैं कि वो रिलेशनशिप को कैसे डिफाइन करा है. जैसे कि टीचर्स में इन विच सेमेस्टर द पर्सन इज टीचिंग, सो द सेमेस्टर हैज़ टू बी अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव एट्रीब्यूट. ऑल्सो लाइक एक होटल रूम है, लॉगिंग, इफ lodging is one of the relation, so rent could be the like descriptive attribute. In this way it is all about ER model.